You alright, Mom? No, you're not about to answer me. You good? Nah, answer me at all. Sunny city of Portmore. Passage Fort. On the delivery trail. Yes, so go on with the whole heap of big Muslim. Go and go put on that one there and come back. Muslim just accept the delivery. You name Devon?
No, I'm stepfather named Devon.
Stepfather named Devon? Oh, okay. So you never see what park how long I try to find?
No, just reach. You
just reach?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can't even tell me nothing about the service? You're going to send me just left you carry the big box
man,
them?
a good delivery service, man.
Even though you carry the box them?
No, man, that good, man.
That good?
Come give me back.
What you say, muscle bound? Man flat like pancake and I end up with two big box. Big box. But we now got too pressure him still. Big up yourself and thanks Emil, alright?
Yeah,
We'll be in touch.
yeah.
That is how we are on the delivery trail. Portmore for sure. Newest city them say, while wait for the hospital though. Yes, that's where I do. Hey guys, I know you've been watching our videos and you should be a part of our family. Why haven't you signed up? No. You should sign up for a free shipping account with us, and when you do that, also sign up for a platinum membership, which allows you 4 free shipping coupons for the year. 4. Click the link up here and be a part of our team. Okay? Look at this gentleman. He wants to be a part of the team, right? Yeah man, you need to sign up with us. 4 free shipping coupons. You don't want to miss out on that, right? Alright, so you can come on board. I know it. A new customer. He's going to sign up as well. You can't miss out on a good thing. You shouldn't too.